Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not working on Instagram. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go down until you find this window of apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about Instagram and you will click here. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Instagram. Then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.